No music.
Most awkward live stream start ever. Maybe it'll be like that time Snoop Dogg left his live stream on for like 8 hours or something, and then realized, yeah, it's on YouTube.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
And then he came over to it and was like, "Have I been live all this time? I would hope not."
That sounds amazing.
I do worry that will happen to me one day. It did happen once at the fireside. But I thought...
Oh, yeah, you're looking at cats on Discord. Oh, such a cute catty.
I was talking about how cute the cats in our Scrimba Pets Discord channel were to myself, and then everyone was like, we can hear you. Yeah, that was odd.
Cute.
Side Marie.
And it's cute, so, you know.
Is here, as is Dave. Wonderful. Who else is here? Say hello. Let us know how your day is going.
No.
I was going to say evening, but it probably isn't evening for many of you. Let us know.
True.
Good. Yes. Woo.
Hello, everyone.
Tom is here. Talk to you. And Tom has dropped the tiger in the chat. Yes, that is our tradition here at the Scrimba live stream towers. If you are new here, drop a bunny rabbit in the chat. And if you've been before, hit me with that tiger. Yes. We don't use this information. It's just for fun. So today we are going to attempt deep breath.
Yeah.
This.
A retro screensaver. I'm still not sure what that is.
Well, allow me to elaborate. If I head on over to the Weekly Web Dev Challenge page, Here it is. Here's the challenge. If you at home would like to have a go, dropping in the chat now.
Where did you see this kind of screensaver?
On my computer. You have to remember I'm older than you, Michael, so maybe that's why.
Not that actual.
Yeah. The one I have in mind, it bounced from side to side, and some people have already achieved this.
Oh, like a ball from side to side in Windows?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow.
That is what people have done.
Oh, boy.
Look what we've got here. Dave's here. This is Dave's. Do nothing for 5 seconds. Oh, can I do nothing for longer than that? And then it starts glowing. Woo!
Cool.
And then we have the colors changing and the shapes changing and all sorts. So that's the kind of thing we're aiming for, Michael.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, it's quite mesmerizing. And then we have this one here from Renzo, which is a spinning cube.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know. Look at it go.
How did you do that?
I made something similar a long time ago. I can't remember how. But anyway.
That really is like magic to me.
And this will probably ring a bell for you.
All right.
Welcome to Scrimdos. You saw it here first. Turn it on, that's why.
Oh, I get it. Scrimdos. Oh, right. Okay. Sorry, I'm a bit slow.
And now you get this.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. I can see where they're going with this.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Very. Wow. Nice. Very good. Very good.
Dave says, oops, should I get it to move around the screen? Only if you want to. That is not a mandatory part.
So basically, it's like,
challenge.
just make a screensaver.
Yeah. You can be as creative as you want. You can do anything you like Steve has made these chickens. Wait for it.
Yeah.
Chickens incoming. Woo!
Wow. Wow, okay.
So cute. So yeah, you can do anything. You are not limited to this.
Yeah. Nice.
Let's see. What else? I used to have the swimming fishes. Oh yeah, I had that as well. I really like the fish.
That was actually pretty good.
Some of them were really exciting. Maybe
do you think someone's going to code that labyrinth?
Then, well, crikey, imagine. Yeah. That would be quite something.
How do they do that?
Milosh, I was in for a surprise this morning when the front-end career path changed. Dropped from 96, the last module, to 78. What you can do, Milosh, is email help@scrimba.com and they can fix that up for you if you've already done the module. But I would recommend doing the new stuff anyway because it's good. But if that's stopping you getting your certificate, you can sort it out in Link to FastQuest. Okay, well, look, lots of tigers and bunnies in the chat.
I think you should pull up that Windows Labyrinth screensaver because I think someone was asking in the chat.
Whoops.
Oh, it's called Wall.
Well, I don't really know what it's called. Yeah, this.
Yeah, like I always thought it was a labyrinth, but...
Well, I guess it is really.
Well, okay, that makes me feel a bit sick, actually.
You want to have a go at making that? No.
No, because I don't even know where to start. I would need to think about it. It would probably take me an hour.
We don't want that.
It would take me an hour just to think it through.
Yeah, let's not do that then, because we only have 52 minutes. Bubbles and windows are really cool. Yeah, totally. So anyway, the first thing, I'm going to spill this again, is...
Is that your tea? Yeah.
We actually have way more colours than you can see here. We have all of these. So it would be nice if we can get them. We should probably make some kind of plan.
Yeah, so what are you trying to actually do?
I'm trying to complete task, end stream. No, let's see.
But what constitutes a completed task?
Yeah, let's make a plan. Code plan. I will move this onto the screen.
Yeah, move the code plan to the screen.
Day.
That.
No. Yeah, I'll beg. I just want to hide my stupid folders, so I don't want to see how many ridiculous folders I have.
You've done that.
Okay.
Leanne.
Yeah.
Move it over. Nobody cares.
Yeah, but Michael, it's not working.
Type it in the.
What do you mean?
Type it as comments in the thing. Come on now.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway.
So,
and then I was just trying to hide the bar so people don't see her plans for the weekend.
They're not plans for the weekend.
Which is do nothing. Drink wine. Oh, sorry. These are my plans. Projecting again.
Anyway, 1. Show all colours.
Show. Okay. Yeah.
2 will be change shape of ball.
Change shape? Sorry, can you explain that again? How do you change the shape of a ball?
Well, that's what we're going to find out. I hope. I really hope. And then...
But...
What, Michael?
The ball is round.
Well, it won't be a ball, I guess. Anyway, rugby balls are not round.
I see. Yeah, fair enough.
Move ball. That is our plan
move ball.
for today.
Okay.
What do you reckon, folks?
Oh boy. Well, I mean, show all the colors, as in make an animation that kind of shape shifts the colors.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah. Okay.
That bit's quite easy. I reckon we will start with that.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's some kind of CSS property that goes animate from this color to that color.
Just to be clear, we have in our HTML, there is a Screensaver class, which is the whole screen. And then inside that is this orb. And underneath that, we do actually have a site. So what we could do, if we have time, is make it appear after a certain amount of time, as demonstrated a bit earlier.
Oh, I see, right.
So
no, I think we should just focus on the animation thing.
we're not 34. Yeah. Timer. Okay, let's do the animation first then. So animation.
Yeah, so how do you show all the colors?
We're going to put in an animation. How did I quickly make a comment like that? I select the line I want to comment, and I do command / was that backward?
The one, wow, it's pretty keyboard, so if you say it's next to the question mark, people are going to be like,
This
what,
one.
is that the one with the dollar?
Yeah. So command plus that. No, Windows, I guess control plus that. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, control backslash, like that slash on that line.
And that works in CSS, it works in JS, it works in everything as far as I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Open a new page. Okay then. So so you'll see this is actually all of these colors. And the only reason you can see just the orange is that the background size is much bigger than the circle itself.
What? Oh, because it says over there background line here.
Background size 300 by 1500.
Right, got it. So the background is just the gradient.
Yeah. So we want it to move behind it, kind of. Anyway, keyframes. I'm not one for memorizing syntax. You may have noticed. Are you?
Not really, no.
I'm going to call it move gradient. Okay.
Well,
that's not what I expected. I forgot that I had that in already. That's moving the whole orb.
Yeah.
Which is not what I want. I want to change a different property. Background position, I think, is what I want to change. Okay, that looks promising. So if I started off with...
Do you not want to just like transform, instead of transform, yeah, you have background size?
The size of it. I was thinking more, right, if we do background position.
Yeah.
Center.
Okay.
You see, and then we could, for example, background position left changes it.
Kitty comes on the stream.
Oh, she's going to help us.
And I'm wearing a black t-shirt again. I learned nothing. Well, except this time around.
Dave says commenting doesn't work in the style section of View SFC. That's where. I've never used that.
Nope, neither have I.
But I'll bear it in mind. Anyway, yeah, so that's what I had planned. But you're saying that instead we should just change the size of it.
To be fair, it doesn't matter.
Okay, I'm going to go with this starts from right and it goes to left.
Yeah. So save it. What do we have?
We don't need to save it because it's automatically doing it. But
it doesn't look it.
Hard to know if it actually is or not. I think if we make that smaller.
Actually, it does do it very slowly.
It's because this is 10 seconds, mate. Yeah, look at it go. Wait.
Yeah, so if you do make it 10 seconds, it would actually make it look a little bit. Whoop, hello.
Yikes. She loves walking on keyboards. That's one of her main hobbies.
Tail bash.
2. But I also want it to go boing, boing, boing. You know?
No. Where is it going? Boing, boing, boing?
Animation reverse or something like that. animation direction.
Oh wow.
Alternate reverse.
Oh, can you hit on that so we can see what it does? Play.
Oh. So this is what I meant when I said boing, boing, boing. So what's the difference between alternate and alternate reverse then? I guess for this there isn't one, but
no, I think you need to click the button. And...
if you had a more complicated one, then maybe it would make a difference. But this is just going from one point to another. But if it did something, more elaborate, maybe it would change. Anyway, point being, this will do. So I'll put that in, here. I know I could put it in that one, but I'm not totally sure where it goes, so I'm just going to leave it there. Okay. So what do you reckon?
I can't see what's changed.
You can't see the different colours.
Oh, what happens is the colour, it goes orange to blue and then blue to orange. While what used to... Can you comment out?
Oh, you just mean the last part?
Yeah, I was like, well, what's the last one actually done? It goes and then
it just kind of flicks back to the start,
which isn't color change.
Exactly that. But now
if you do that,
it nicely goes back and forth.
Oh wow! If you make it 10 seconds, that would be like really, like.
I think 10's a bit long, but 5's quite
a lounge kind of atmosphere,
Yeah. And then if you do this, it can be psychedelic.
I don't know. It doesn't really look psychedelic. It's kind of like mellow Easter psychedelic, I suppose.
Alternate reverse starts from the end and goes to the start and back again. Alternate starts from the start. So there you go.
Alternate reverse starts from the end.
So it's to do with where it starts is the only difference.
And alternate reverse is basically, I see, it starts at the end.
I guess it would be the same as if you switch these around.
So it ends to the start?
Michael, let's not get into it.
Yeah,
but
got it.
I'm also going to do, I don't know if this will make any difference, top right to bottom left.
Does you need a hyphen for that? Or
do I? CSS. Background property W3 scrolls.
Oh no, you don't.
No.
Right. Here, scroll up. So you go right top, left bottom.
Yes. So I need to switch them.
Switch them around.
That's a bit annoying, isn't it? Because you would say top right, oh crikey, naturally. But that's CSS for you.
Yeah.
I'm not sure in terms of our gradient that actually makes much difference. Anyway, we can call that one done, I think.
I don't think that does it. I don't think any of it does it. I think if you like move gradient, it looks exactly like it looked before. Oh well, never mind.
You can see the different colors.
Yeah, I know, but I don't think that the position right, top, left, bottom.
No, probably not. Fine. Right.
Yeah, I think.
What do we have really? Top and bottom?
I think so.
All right.
I think now it stopped it. I think we're left and right.
Yeah, that's what we did before.
Yeah, so left and right does it.
Shape or colors can have a green.
Whew, boy. I think tick. Yeah.
Wait, change the shape of the ball. I will do this with.
Ooh. Let me guess. It's
inspiration.
I was trying to remember that. I literally had the name of the property in my head, but no anymore. Damn it.
Border radius?
Yes. Yes. I was like, I remember that you can actually border radius and
create shapes. Oh, beeping outside. I wonder what's going on.
a wedding.
Border.
Oh look, there's an advanced CSS border radius tutorial. 2 minutes 27 seconds.
Yeah, but there's some kind of generator.
I'm not watching a tutorial.
Fancy border radius generator.
Oh, so that's where Dave got it from.
Maybe he already knew it. I don't know.
Yeah, wow.
So what we can do is
hang on. So what you have is border radius and these percentages. Is that what it does?
Looks like it.
So if you copy that, so paste in out Scrim.
Michael, that's what I was going to do.
Yeah, I know. It's Friday, Leanne. Come on. I've been writing code the whole week, so it's I'm sorry that I speak to you as if you're JavaScript. Take this, paste it there, do this.
I know, but not border. Border radius.
Call the API now.
%. And then this border radius. Oh my God, look at that.
Yes. So can you just quickly Google, how do you generate random integers in CSS? No, like that. She's like, come on, go on. What are you waiting for?
Oh, man. What do you want me to do? Generate random. Oh.
How to generate random integers in CSS?
This is the thing. This.
No, CSS.
And so why do you need that? I don't think you can in CSS. What? What do you mean? Like Robin Randall.
Random. Ooh.
You actually. Oh, this is in
so
SAS.
SAS. SAS offers you a random function. Oh wow, I didn't know that.
I mean, I think we're going to need JavaScript for this.
See.
So that's not that big
Oh, look
of
at
a deal.
that. You can use them without the need. They cascade the browser.
That's not random though.
No, scroll down.
Yeah.
Aha, no, look. That's the JavaScript, and there you go. So from there, we can find the red circle SVG, animation time. So what you do is you basically, so you declare a variable in CSS, then pick up that thing with your ID, and set that set that variable to the random number that you have generated.
I think I get it. Should we do it?
So basically, my idea was that you have all these border radiuses. So can you then just randomly generate them?
Oh yeah.
And animate?
I'm sure you can. So like each of these would be a different % variable thing, you mean?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
So it would be like var int and then you mean this?
Yeah, like that.
Okay. And then that would be 4.
Yeah.
And then we're going to need it again.
Yeah.
It's turned into a square now.
Yeah, but that's because the ints are not declared.
Oh. So do we need all different ones?
I mean, let's just do 4, okay? Let's just have 4.
Yeah, but will that actually work? As in, hold on. What we can do is Copy.
Basically, what we're trying to do with Leanne right now is to have the border radius not fixed, so this blurb kind of floats about, constantly shape-shifting. It could be that someone has already.
No, that would work. Yeah, this in principle works. So now we're going to.
Yeah, but then there is like, was that slash? And then what is that slash? And then you have other.
I think that just makes a even weirder shape, basically.
Okay. Well, let's basically just have the random ones that it doesn't.
I don't need this. I don't need this.
No, you don't.
So now we will put in our variables.
Just put them at the top.
I mean, really, they only need to be in here, don't they?
Just put them at the top.
So what does that look like? Something like root. Calculate that one up as well. CSS variables.
Yeah, root variable and then value.
Int 1, 10%. And then.
Can you actually do it as percent? Oh, well, anyway. Yeah, just do that. In 2, in 3.
So. Oops, not 12. I think you can do anything, can't you? Let us see. 4. Let's keep them all at 10 for now, and then we will know if it's actually working. And then this. Yes. Wait. That is working.
Oh, right. Do you need a semicolon at the end of that line?
I do.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, so that.
But now we want
worked. So now we want to go to.
Change these to random for now. So now it will consistently make this random blob.
Well, predefined blob. Right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
I meant that.
Yeah. So let's go now to index.js.
So what do we have to do? Not this. We are grabbing.
So you need to create.
Oh, we already grabbed orb.
Okay. Yeah. I think I follow it. So let's go to let's create video. So we have orb. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's create a random radius.
What were the old?
Yeah, you see, like how he does.
Random.
Yeah, he or she, I don't know who wrote the article. So instead of time, it would be radius. Math random.
It's really border radius.
No, border radius. Yeah. I just quickly Google JavaScript generate between 0 and 100. Round number 0 to 100. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Yes. Oh. Okay.
Cool.
We're going to need to put the percent in. Or maybe we actually
That's fine.
don't. Because
No, that's fine.
we
That's
can
fine.
put it down here, I think.
It's okay. We can do that.
Okay.
It's fine. So go back to the article. And there it says you grab the orb. So now we just need to have orb style set property. Actually.
Michael, I don't think this is because what property is it setting?
Oh, well, let's have a look.
Oh, animation time.
So
That's not property.
red, style property animation time. So what we do is red. Oh, interesting. So we have So he picks up red, okay, and then what? Just changes there like that. So property animate. I mean, yeah. Why not? What are we losing if we just do that? So let me just quickly console.log orb, not orb, move orb. Okay, cool. Nope. Oh well, okay. Well, in that case, orb set.
Is it style?
Style. That's what it was. Sorry.
Isn't it orb.style.border radius? Yeah, it would be.
Dot. Get. Leanne, I'm just trying to look up what's everything in on there, but okay. Looks like I can't do that, or maybe I can, but anyway, set property. So let's say, just for the sake of it,
Probably making it as a function instead of individual vars. Ew,
yeah. Well,
that's an interesting
yeah,
idea.
I just want to do that. I just want to try to do one thing, and then it's in CSS. Int one. So if I just make int one
That would make sense.
0. Which one is int one? Int one is this one.
Apparently that one, yeah. I think it goes
Top left. And then
clockwise, basically, yeah.
So property int one. And then what do I need to do? It's basically, yeah, okay, I see. What you set in it to.
So it's better to set these variables in the JS then, not in the CSS at all, really.
Oh, look at that. It has worked.
Yeah.
Look, it's now.
So we don't need those CSS variables, I don't think.
How come? Because you need to grab the variable here to set the property.
I don't think we do. My idea is to have
Just write the JavaScript function that actually sets the whole transform rule.
yeah, this might be more complicated than it needs to be, but basically they're all like this. And then set property style. No, I think border.
No, because you need to take it as an animation.
I think it could. Hold on, Michael. It's border radius equals int one. What's the syntax? Just all of them groups next to each other. Oh, not int 12.
I think it needs to be a string.
It will be. Int 4. So like this.
So dollars inside of the backticks.
Whoops. Oh,
Yeah,
so
dollar
to do
and
all
then-
of every
yeah.
single stupid one. Oh, that's a pain. Okay. Do you think this will work?
No.
You don't.
No, because it's going to make it a circle. It's going to make it a circle because that assigns your border radius before animation, after animation. I think.
We're not actually doing it though. We need, oh no, I need that. Function
Why?
Change.
You are doing it because the script definitely ran.
Did it?
Well, yeah, right.
Why is it not working then?
Because I don't think the rule, isn't it?
No, because this line
Yeah.
11 isn't being run at any point, is it? You need to put it in a function, I think. Otherwise,
No, the script runs. Right. It's been called. So if
well, then it should be making a perfect square. It's maybe the CSS is like overriding it then, probably. Me.
oh, what's up?
Oh, look, it actually is doing it. Okay,
So
good. Now, we have to somehow put the animation in here.
I don't know, Leanne. We had a working approach, and now we
Okay, well,
yeah,
let me
we're
know
going
what
on a
you
limb. You know, it was working. So you know, why fix something that works? Control Zing. Okay, and now
You do not access keyframes. I know that. Oh, I see. Yeah.
yeah, with that approach, you basically like how do you get into the keyframes? I think this is like the
That's
one
the
that
problem.
you kind of can. Hang on, do we actually want between 0 and 100? Because if it's 50%, it's a circle.
Yeah, that's true.
But we kind of want.
So what would border radius 55% actually do? Does it just get to
Go to CSS.
a circle and
That's border radius. I think that gets invoked.
that was in the keyframes though?
Ah, I see. Sorry.
You would need to do in the yeah, that one. Yeah, that's 10. So what? Try like above 50 basically. I think it's just a circle.
Yeah.
What happens if you okay. Lesson learned. 50 apparently is the maximum that will actually make any difference.
Yeah, but like they've got 66 here.
That's true.
90, 100. Like to make blurby things. So we probably do want 100, but then. Yeah.
Well, let's go with 100 because it won't hurt, I don't think. And it seems to make some kind of difference.
Yeah. Have I done this right? I have a feeling like I've turned something off. Ah.
That border radius done. Okay, no, we don't need that.
No, you've turned off the style. Yeah. So that looks like it had some kind of number. What radius? Okay, so now it's a 9.
August Grady reckons this will be less work. That's good.
That had a 9. Yeah. Right, so now we just need how many of these do we have?
4. It's 1 for each corner.
So we've got 1 for each corner. Okay, cool. So for I equals 0, sorry, always catching me out, var I equals 0, I is less than 4.
I plus plus.
Yeah. Oh, very good.
Yes. Can do for loops thanks to Per Howard.
Nice. Cool. Now we've got that should be an I, because I am lazy. Here we are. Border radius. See what I mean?
I'm not totally sure. Probably.
Console dog log I. I think that's done it. So, where's the console? There we are. So we had border radius and then, no. Yikes.
Yeah, you're.
Yikes.
Yeah.
Equals to 4. That's easier to read, right? So you start with 1, then when it's 4, stop. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Okay, awesome. So now we've assigned border radius 70 to the whole thing, so we can't see any animation. But
where did 70 come from? That's just the one that
border radius
got generated.
Yeah, but let's funk it up. Right? And generate random border radius as we're looping. So we got 48 for 1, 42 for 2, 32 for 3, 82 for 4. Ooh, there we are.
Dave said, what I did was choose 2 from the radius generator. He did use the radius generator and use keyframes to gradually move between the 2 I chose from the website. Well, we could have done that, Dave, but that would have made life easy. So that's why we didn't do that.
No. But
Michael wants to make completely random shapes every time.
I know, exactly.
Which is admirable.
What's even
more complicated.
What's even better is that I am now going to, whoops.
What's he doing?
I am making it even more funky.
Okay. Drum roll, everybody.
Yeah, I know. Like, I'm now. So this is an 8. I do have a feeling like that. There might be a better way, but I don't know. And sorry.
Yeah,
5.
there's probably a way of doing it so it like adds a number each time in the for loop, but
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
nobody got time for that time-saving exercise.
No, I think like I think developers underappreciate elbow grease. Like, people jump into like saving time and making abstractions and stuff.
But whenever I do something the long-winded way, I just have this inner voice being like, this is so inefficient, Leanne.
Yeah, well, I mean, when you're going down that route, but yeah. Anyway, 8. There we are. And now the loop is 8. And now let's see. 1, 2. Ooh.
But we don't really want it going all the way down to 0, I guess.
Ooh. Is it ever 0? I don't think it is. Because you're multiplying by 101.
Well, by 1 then. But the point is we don't really want these corners. I think the minimum we would want is 30. So it's always a blob and it doesn't become pointy.
How do you do that?
I think you would have to do up to 71 plus 30 would do that.
71.
And then outside.
I mean, let's have 81. Why not?
Well, then you'd need to do plus 20.
But then it would be more than 100, wouldn't it? If you get 80 plus.
Yeah. Well, currently you could get 100, or you could get 110, couldn't you?
Yeah, exactly.
So that would have to be plus 20.
So you're with a minimum being 30.
Yeah.
So 30 plus, and then between 0 And did you say that you want to go to? No, that means that it's going to go to 100 one. So the maximum is 100, but you don't want 100. You want maximum to be 70.
No,
right?
the maximum can be 100. It's the minimum that's the issue, because
Okay,
creates a completely pointed corner, which is not what we want.
Cool.
I'm just not sure that 30 is in the right place, but it seems to be working fine, so let's go with it.
Yeah, there we are.
No one wants a pointy blob. You said it, Tom Chan.
Yes.
Damn right.
And now, so this will be function generate blob. Right.
You could probably have the random number generated by a function. I thought that is what we're doing.
I mean, I feel like that's kind of enough. I don't want to make another function out of it. But anyway, if you feel like it.
Oh, I see.
Shoot.
Instead of making more vars. Yeah.
Oh, right. In the CSS. Yeah. Anyway, generate blob. But now what I want to do is, so this CSS, what's the duration of this whole?
5 seconds.
5 seconds. So, I don't remember. JS run function. Every 5 seconds. Perfect. There we go. Set interval, clear interval.
Oh, right. So it's going to make a new shape.
Ooh, when do I want to clear an interval?
That's just like if you had a timer counting down and it
if I
got
want
to
to
0.
stop it.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I want to
So
stop it.
I think you wouldn't need it for this.
Yeah, so, and then, so basically, function, but, well, I just go generate blob, right? Let's see, 1, 2, 3.
It's still
4.
going completely pointy.
So it does regenerate blob.
Regenerate the blob. Do you remember that movie called The Blob?
But every 5 seconds it kind of like jars it.
Oh, there's a storm. Yes, it does. That's a pain. Dave is going to write a random blob generator using border radius. Oh, the inspiration these challenges bring. Excellent.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
So we actually do have a random blob generator, and it goes like that. But every 5 seconds it kind of jars because it resets the thing. And I suppose you
would want to save it.
Yeah, you would want to save it and then like have.
And then restart it, I guess, from that or something.
Yeah. Yikes! You see, every time people
A lot goes into these screensavers, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's like, nah, these things are sort of like straightforward, and it's like, well, actually, they're very complicated.
Yeah. I'm glad we didn't try to do the maze. Anyway, we've changed the shape of the ball.
Yeah, I think that's good enough.
It might not be optimal, but you know. Oh, it is still going completely pointy.
No, that's because that's the start. It starts somewhere.
But it should be starting from 50%. Here.
Go down.
Why is it still console logging? Maybe I didn't
Well,
say.
because on line 7, there's another console.
Oh, right. I don't know why it's going on. I think this is iffy.
Preset. No, that's a preset style there. The reason it's going like that is boom, 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 boom.
Oh.
These variables are preset.
So we can put them to.
If you just make them.
Yeah. Basically, you only need to change the 0. So interval 5 or was it?
I know, but you start.
5. Inty thing 5.
Oh, actually, hang on a second. That might actually solve our bug. I know, it still jars it. Yeah, there you go. So it goes into a circle into the blob. There you go. No, wait a second. set interval 5 seconds, but it runs this function straight away, right?
Okay.
But the animation, I know, hang on, it will still jar. Basically, so this generate blob sets those variables straight after the script loads, and then it goes to the bottom, and then the whole animation goes for 5 seconds. So we set the variables, animation goes to 5 seconds, yeah, like now it makes its circle, and then it goes to this other thing, and then it resets. So maybe actually what we want to do is animate, what's that? Animate, traverse, reverse?
Alternate reverse.
Yes. Alternate. Whoop. No, I'm not meant to yell it.
Alternate reverse.
Yeah.
I don't think that changed it.
Yeah, and also that I probably need to set timeout on this to run after
Interesting
a second or something.
point.
Anyway, yeah.
Could you do it so it's always adding or taken away by smaller increments? I think
Sure.
you probably could.
Yeah. But could I be bothered?
What if you set those int vars on 0% on?
0% keyframes. Yeah, but isn't that... Oh, I see.
Here.
Yes.
So put these here.
Ooh, no, hang on.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's good. That's a good shout.
I feel like that might work.
But it kind of like just moves the blob. Just makes the blob.
Yeah,
fluid.
but I think what the
Yeah.
issue is, Michael, is
No, wait a
Michael,
second.
I think
Wait a second.
the problem is I don't think we should actually set them
Where's that?
at the top.
Yikes.
Michael, what have you done?
Nothing.
Is there a way where we could not actually have them declared as anything? Because the problem is it's resetting back to 50% or not.
Not anymore.
Actually,
no.
it's not. So what's it resetting back to then?
Not that. My brain. Come on.
Wait, mate.
Yeah. Don't leave me, mate. Come on. Well, basically, right now nothing happens because we have the same variables at the start of the animation and at the end of the animation.
Okay.
So over here, the animation is 5 seconds. Right? The animation is 5 seconds. So it's the same. But I think if we make it like every 2 seconds, so see, it resets the variables and it re-triggers the animation run. That's annoying. It was an interesting idea that I thought might work, but I think that kind of triggers repaint of the whole div, and it makes it a little bit awkward every time you update these variables. See? So there might be some kind of other way that I just don't know about.
Interesting.
Maybe more. Oh, there you go. Milos says maybe you need, or Milos, sorry if I mispronounced that. New set of ints. So now I need 16 ints. Yay!
Or we could just use the ones we have, because I don't really think that having the slash and then more ints actually really makes any difference in terms of the shape of the blob.
I think it does, but I don't know. Oh well.
What's the fill mode on the animation? Animation fill mode. Sets how a CSS animation applies styles to its target before and after its execution.
Oh.
That kind of sounds like what we want.
Yeah.
This is the thing that if you put it on, it doesn't reset. I think if you use forwards, it doesn't reset after the animation ends.
Yeah.
I think that's what we want, isn't it? Or not?
Maybe. I don't know. Let's have a look.
I think you might be onto something.
Actually, sorry. I think. How do you say 0? Is it 0 from Leanne? Is it? How do you say start?
You can say from and to, or
But
you
what if
can
you
say
want 3 points?
0%.
5%. 50%.
Yeah. What? And then you want at 100 to go back to.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So I want 50%.
Actually, yeah, that is interesting.
50%, and then I'll do. No, sorry.
Yeah, but in here, I would put the border radius and then.
Yeah, but the border radius is already set, isn't it, on the key style?
Is it?
Border radius there.
Yeah. We should change it so it's not just a circle in a minute. If this works, I think it's working, Michael.
Oh my word!
I think it's working.
Oh my word! That's amazing! Wow! There we go. I just completely. I was like, what if I just have it in 3 points and just come back?
The greatest achievement of my life.
Is it?
I mean, I didn't really achieve it, but kind of, yeah.
Not really. I just googled stuff. Yeah, I just found this article. Oh, sorry, this article, and shoehorned it into this. Wow, it actually does generate random blobs. Look at that, and it looks as if it's meant to be like that.
This is the greatest thing ever to happen.
Except I will probably do that as a 4-second thing.
Why?
Because at 5, it hits the exact same thing.
Now it's jittery again.
Or maybe, okay, fine, whatever.
Okay. And now we can put in our, oh no, how did I, yeah. Transform, translate. Not.
What's that do?
Hopefully gonna move it. And then 100%. Yep, that's good.
Oh. Oh, that's amazing.
I mean, the reason it's going off the screen, I think, is because it's
pretty big.
The width of the ball is not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, the middle of the ball is going to 100, but then the rest of the outside of it is off the screen. You can do calculations, but I won't.
No, but you actually don't have to. We can
just do that. Yeah, exactly. And then I think that 100% should be this again. I don't know if that will actually make a difference, but probably should be in there.
Where? 100?
That should also go there.
Ah, so you want to copy the whole thing?
So ideally,
we want to more ints.
more ints. Well, why can't we just use one of the ones we've already got?
because they're minimum 30, maximum 100. But you want them between
So-
0 and a 40.
I mean, actually, we want minus 40 and
Oh, hang on.
plus 40.
Someone said.
Use calc. Oh, yeah, calc.
Ah, nice.
Good. Cool. Zaid.
Nice. So, how do you do that? Calc?
Calc. Open.
Is it actually a percent?
Orb width. Orb width. Interesting.
Orb width? How do you do that?
Just 250 pixels is
Oh, I
orb
see.
width. Wouldn't it be half of orb width though? Oh, that's what. Oh. This is why I don't
Leanne,
use
help me
calc.
with the syntax. Come on, don't
I
get
don't
hung
know
up on it.
I don't know the syntax. It's there. Zaid's giving it to you.
Yeah, but like in the style rule, how do I shoehorn this into the transform?
Like that.
You should probably make it in a variable. Thinking about it. Oh well, Google time. Use calc in CSS rule. Calc is a CSS function that lets you yada yada yada. Just show me how to do it with. Oh, so you literally just do that. Ah, no. Bummer.
Could I think it is a bummer?
What? So do I need like percent?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because it needs to be percent. But,
Yeah, but then I think the percent. Yeah,
but it doesn't like that.
I think you need. Crumbs, no, not that.
Nah. Ugh. Ugh. Syntax.
This is so annoying. Why is this not working?
I think. Ugh. Ugh. Yes. Okay. Do you have to? Oh well. Anyway. Fair enough. So what is it?
We will sit here until we crack this. We're going to move this orb if it's the last thing I do.
Position X. Calc.
Oh, look, my kalimba.
Yeah. 1%. Okay, well, it's like whoever gives us the last roll wins. 1% times why 1%? I mean, I'm not disagreeing.
Let's go with it.
I'm not disagreeing. I just want to go, but why 1%? And then percent at the end, right? Oh, I see. Right. Yeah. I think I get it. Because multiplying by 1 means that you're not changing the amount, but percent forces it into that value. Oh, I see. So it's not pixels or anything. Okay. Maybe or not. Okay. Maybe
Okay.
or not. Okay. I mean, fair enough. I love how you're like, yeah, I mean, I don't know.
Why were we actually doing this? I can't remember why we busted calc out in the first place. Can we just do it like guessing? Like what you were doing with 40 pixels was kind of fine.
Yeah, but this is not random.
It shouldn't. What?
I'm just saying, this is not
Well, it
random.
wouldn't be. It's the same every time.
No,
don't
but
think-
that's the point. These, we wanted to have these.
Yeah, I don't think my kalimba was saying that makes it random.
Oh yeah, I know. For some reason, I thought that we were trying to make it random.
Michael, what?
Oh, hang on. Yeah, you need that. Yeah, thank you. Va. Ah. Am I doing this right? No.
Gonna go with no. I think that's right.
That's right. But it hasn't done anything. So,
Look, if you just put so that is actually working. The issue is our calc thing. No, I think we should use the JS.
yes, that's what I was trying to do. Yikes. So let's just set it to 0.
No, because it goes from -40.
As that doesn't it go from the
Because
center?
that is 0, but we also want it to go either top and bottom.
Yeah, I know. I'm just, setting it to default 0. Okay, generate blob. Okay, so we generate border radius.
It's basically that again.
But we want to generate position only once. So on one movement. The colors change, circle, blob, but the movement is only once. So it's not inside of a for loop.
Oh no. The for loop is for each different corner, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Const position x, and yeah, sure, why not? Yes, random number between -40 and 40, and I think, why do I keep googling this? Because I mean, surely it's just -40, right? It's the minimum that we're ready to go. I like that. -33.
Okay. -2. I don't think it can make positive numbers.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh
so
yeah,
that
you're right.
should be 80. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good. That's
Oh no.
because I'm declaring it twice.
Okay. That looks good.
Maths. The math teacher would have been so proud of me.
Mine wouldn't.
She's like, "Oh, finally, Michael, you're not wasting algebra at school." -6, -33. I mean, we did say a positive number, which is 2. Ooh,
There's
16.
another one there. Wait.
Oh yes. So
Now we just got to put those bad boys into the style, and away we go.
oh, you just casually drop Rick and Morty into the conversation. So position x.
Oh, look, Zaid Marie's got a way of doing the random number.
Is it percent, right?
I don't know, but this seems to be working, so let's stick with it.
The value is percent. Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
You could do it. For what we've done, I think percent's the best, yeah.
Have I spelled it properly? Ooh. Ooh, look at that. So it does move. But somewhat, yeah, it still has that jitter when the numbers get regenerated. Oh, hang on. It's cool now. Do we put it into transform 0, position X, position Y?
How did we fix that in the end?
Fix what?
We fixed the jittering with the border radius somehow. But now I don't remember how.
No, we didn't fix it with the border radius. We fixed it by adding the third rule for 100%.
Oh, right. So we just got to do that then, haven't we?
Yeah, well, the thing is that I think we just want to... Basically, what we're doing is we're regenerating these values and setting them. So I think what we want to do is regenerate these values. No.
No, Michael, I think, why can't we just use the same approach that we did? So,
Yeah, we've done it.
but how did that actually fix the border radius? Because it doesn't actually mention it.
No, we just transform it back to being completely around. We haven't really fixed it. We just worked around it.
Where?
In that.
It's not there. That's
Yeah, I know. But the border radius, because it has... Sorry. It has this alternate animation direction. So it does it for us, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, and on that note,
It could be that after finishing the timeout, it generates a new round of numbers for the border radius, and it looks like it cuts the transition.
Well-
Hey, you should double the interval. We're going to try that.
two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so like it generates the first set of values.
Well, that's okay, because I think we can...
That's okay because that set interval of 10 seconds is basically us waiting.
There's a way around that, though. You just have to generate blob
Yeah, just call that function again.
on page load, don't you?
Yeah, just call that function.
Like that.
Yeah.
I think that's good enough. Thank you, David Solomon.
Whoops, no, not 50 seconds. 5 seconds. Leanne, calm down. Jesus. Oh my word. Someone, just for the record, if police is watching, she's still here. She has not been stabbed. She's still here. You're like a cockatoo parrot.
On that note, here is our...
Come on, I get so scared. Oh my word. It's recorded anyway. You can watch the recording back.
Here is our blob.
Blob.
Here is our blob. I've been coding HTML.
The cat is so scared.
She's not. I've been
No,
coding...
she's okay, but he's over there and he was like,
I've been coding HTML emails all week, so my mental state is a little bit delicate.
sorry, I just accidentally closed the tab and now it freaks out. Big time.
If you would like to have a go at this challenge, you have until December the 6th. Yes, and I will put them all on here, including ours, so you can check out our design and make a much better one. And it's that time of year, once again, the most JavaScript-messy time of the year.
Not quite Christmas. No, wrong song.
We are launching JavaScriptmas live on YouTube on Wednesday. I am so excited about this.
Hey!
Yes, so I hope to see you.
Oh god, that hat looks goofy.
It's amazing. And you may be interested to know that I have just dropped a new video about something.
Ooh,
Well, that's not me.
that's not you.
No,
I mean, it is kind of you, but not you.
I mean, it kind of is me. Yes, over on my private personal channel, stacked gradients with
Favorite topic.
CSS.
Nice.
So I will get you the link now.
I think Leanne is
Running out of battery.
Yeah, Leanne's powering down.
And there's a sneak peek at my next one. 5 more ways to add icons to websites. So you can go and check that out. Wow.
Sweet.
I am happy with our blob. Are you?
I am very happy with our blob, yes.
Best blob ever.
I mean, this is the most advanced CSS I've ever done.
Yeah, it's pretty good. And we can.
And we actually had the move ball. Wow, we completed all the main targets apart from the timer, but the timer is kind of very good. Anyway.
Yes, and that's all we have time for. So
Yes.
see you next time.
Have a lovely weekend, everyone.
Yes. Need to fix that soundboard.